I am sharing an interesting story with you today while having this delicious healthy green sandwich. Yummy bites. So get your sliced wheat bread, boiled egg, celery, cucumber, spring onions, tomato, and mayonnaise ready. Time for my story. Many years ago, I went to the market to get veggies for sandwiches because I was hosting the landlords in my estate for the monthly meeting, and I love sandwiches so much. I got my cucumber, spring onions, and I asked for celery. The vegetable seller brought out very fresh celery for me, and I was beaming with happiness. I didn't know one woman was watching my happy display. The woman tapped me and asked, "Please, what is that veggie for? How do you use it? And for what food?" Can you just imagine my answer? She definitely unleashed the best in me. I'm a very big fan of celery and a brand ambassador for celery. I love celery so much. I quickly paid for my veggies and asked her, "Hope you have enough time. Hope you're not in a hurry because it's going to be a long talk." First, celery is so good for your heart. It also helps lower the sodium in the blood, perfect for high blood pressure. It's so good for your bones and help keep your gums strong. It also helps aid digestion. I can see her nodding as if she was taking notes. I continued, "You can blend your celery and cucumber, lime, and drink it, or chop it with other veggies for salad or cream, or use it in your fried rice, boiling of your beef, sauce, and for garnishing. The aroma is so good."
A few moments later.
The woman was overwhelmed and went ahead and bought her own celery with a big smile on her face. I went home, made my own sandwiches, and let me conclude the story. After the landlord's meeting was over, one of the women who attended asked me, "Please, what did you put in your sandwiches? Can you please list your recipe and teach me how to make it?" Of course, I gave her the recipe. It is so important and satisfying to know how to cook, and most especially what you cook. Disclaimer on any medicals, but I really advise you should do basic research and findings on what you eat, because some people have allergies or medications they use. Let's put together today's sandwiches. Chop your celery, both the leaf and the stem. Also chop the spring onions and slice cucumber. Mix with your mayonnaise, looking so green and beautiful. Then slice your boiled egg. Fill your wheat bread with the yummy goodness. Garnish the top with tomatoes and enjoy yourself with a glass of beetroot, watermelon, and lemon juice. You can check my previous videos on how I made the juice. Now, this is a satisfying meal for your breakfast in the office, or a quick bite at home, or anytime. You can recreate this recipe and expect more healthy food tips in my next video. Thank you.